Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So, I haven't done a coin roll hunt in a little while, so other than the $2 coin roll hunt we did a little while ago, so I thought we'll get in and do some 50-cent coin roll hunting, because you usually get results, and I can see a result already, which is good, so we'll get to that. Alright. Oh, first coin we got a 1980 double bar, so very nice start there. So hopefully you can see the double bar. Hopefully you're all starting to get familiar with the double bar. So there it is there, just behind the emu's head. Alright, so that's our first keeper. And that's not the one I was talking about. But if you're eagle-eyed, you'll see this coin here poking out. And I'm sure some of you know what that's going to be. And I'm happy to find it. So I've been going through these coins for about a day or so now, and I've been having some great success. So I look forward to bringing you episode 16 of Look What I Found, because yeah, I'm very happy with what I've been finding. Alright, here it is, guys. I did say in the last video that there's been a bit of a drought, but I'm glad we're continuing on and we're continuing to find more of these Marbos. So there's 2 coins out of this roll that are both keepers. Would have been a fairly nice Jubilee if it didn't have that muck on it. Alright, let's grab another one. Two 71s in a row. Oh, 3 71s in the one roll. And no double bar on that one. So I've been accepting lots of people into the Facebook group, and what I've noticed when I've got 2 questions that are asked when you join the group, and one of them is whether you're subscribed to the channel. And that's perfectly fine if you say no, because you're more than welcome. And the second question, which is probably the more interesting question, is how long have you been collecting for? And we've had a lot of people coming into the group that have been collecting for many, many years, and like 40 plus years, which is great. And I suppose it's great to have those people on board, and what I'm saying is I'd love to have you more involved in the group and helping people who haven't been in it for that long. And like for me, there's no stupid questions, so feel free to ask any question. And while it may sometimes come across that that question's been asked recently, or that people feel a bit like, oh, if you just did a little bit of research, you'd find that out. Yeah, you can do some research and you can try and find these things out. But look, the group is there to ask questions, and if there's people who want to help, then please help. If you get annoyed by the fact that these questions keep coming around, just ignore them. It's probably better for you and better for the person asking the question. So I think it's better for everyone as a group. If there's questions that you get annoyed with, just look to the next post or jump out of the group for a little while. Just don't want to upset people unnecessarily. So yeah, let's all be patient and help each other out. That's sort of my aim, and that's why I started the channel up. Is I just wanted to be able to help people out, and there's a keeper, and the Facebook group allows me to do that. So yeah. All right, so we've got 3 keepers so far. Yeah. I do like doing 50-cent coins. There seems to be some good stuff to be found, and they do pop up, and they keep you entertained. You know, it gets a bit boring when you're not getting any results. I'm just going to pause for a moment. All right. Still keep hoping to find a rotated one. I haven't found one yet. Did find that nice rotated Federation dollar the other day, which was a nice surprise. Always wash your hands after playing with coins, because that coin is disgusting. Alright, I think we'll do 2 more rolls. Time is starting to get away from us. And a nice Victorian state coin. That's an awesome find. Good condition. Yeah, much easier to find the 50 cent Federation coins than it is the 20s, but have had some good luck in recent days. Now, if Ricky, I think Ricky Christian from South Australia, if you're watching, can you please send me an email? There'll be an email in the description of this video. I'm going to send you this coin. You have been looking. I might send you a better one than this one. I'm going to send that one to you. Okay, so you've been contributing to the comments for a long while now, and you always give me a bit of a laugh, to be honest. You're a good character, and I'd love to send you that coin, because I know you struggle there in South Australia to find the coins you want, and I'd love to be able to help you out and send you that one. So send me an email, please, and we'll get your details, and that one will be coming your way. Oh, this will be a nice coin. This will be a nice coin. There it is. That's a cool coin. I love the Ram. Alright, that's a nice find, and it's in a good condition as well. Look at that. Very nice. And on our last roll. So that's awesome. Alright, let's put that aside. Oh, here's another finder. Alright, keeper, sorry. Norfolk Island Federation coin. Yep, that's good. Alright, we're having a good hunt. And a few more coins to go. And that is it, guys. All right, we've had a good hunt. Especially love that Ram set. That's the pick of the finds today. I'll just turn my light off. All right. Yeah, really good hunt. So Ricky, make sure you contact me. I'm going to send you one of these ones. You know that I can't pronounce it, so I'm not even going to try right today. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I look forward to bringing another video to you soon.